Hey everyone, welcome to Aegis Moto Adventures. I am really excited. For the last 3 days we have driven from Southwest Florida all the way to Phoenix, Arizona here. And today we're taking our brand new 2025 Land Cruiser named Coda to Westcott Designs. And it's going to get some rock sliders and a tire carrier, hitch tire carrier. So I'm really excited, so let's get down there and get this done. Well, we made it to the shop and they've got another truck here with a big rig on it for camping. It's kind of cool. It's just in an industrial park, but it's pretty neat and exciting to get this going here. Coda is a 2025 stock Land Cruiser. However, I have already removed the valance pieces from the front bumper. I have also removed the original running boards from both sides of the vehicle. Their mechanics will be installing a pair of their rock sliders that come with all the upgrades. The angle I have chosen was 0 degrees so that I could continue to use them as steps. Their showroom is a little Spartan, but it does give you an idea of the services and products they produce and install. Their customer service was excellent. Well, we got the rock sliders on here. The sun's kind of low in the sky. How can I do this so I'm not in my shadow? But it looks really nice, and I think that will do a good job. And it's heavy duty enough you can use it as like a step in if I raise the vehicle. And then here in the back I went ahead and got a tire carrier here because I just hate having it underneath the vehicle. So this is going to work out pretty good for us. And so yeah, that's it for this video, and thanks to Westcott Design for all the help, and we'll see you in the next video. We're going to be heading up to Flagstaff to an Overland Expo in the next video. Well, that was a fun day there at the shop, and the truck looks nice, and we're slowly but surely turning it into an Overlander like we want. So that'll be a lot of fun. We'll see you in the next video as we start to move north. Good morning everyone, welcome to the channel. Hey, today we're going to be moving north and we're going to go through the mountains and through Sedona, Arizona, and then up to Flagstaff. That'll position us to be where we need to be for the Overland Expo that we're going to. And I think you'll really enjoy that. If you like backcountry stuff and overlanding, I'm sure there's a lot there to see. So we'll be started here shortly.
Take the next left onto North 23rd Avenue, then turn left onto West Pinnacle Peak.
We have all day to make it to Flagstaff. So I've chosen a route that will take us through the desert and into the mountains. There was so much to see that we couldn't get it all in one episode. So we'll break it up into 2 videos for the day's trek. We'll head to the north end of Phoenix, where we'll turn off on Highway 74 towards Wickenburg. We're going to work our way to the west, then north, and then back to the northeast towards Flagstaff. This keeps us off the interstate. Wickenburg was named after the German prospector Henry Wittenberg. He was one of the few that struck it rich with the discovery of the Vulture mine. All told, the mine produced over $30 million worth of gold. Established in 1863, Wickenburg quickly became a hub for mining and army outposts in the Arizona Territory. Today, it is a proper city with over 8,000 residents. On June 28, 2013, the Yarnell Hill Fire was started by a lightning strike. 20 members of the Granite Mountain Hotshots were deployed to fight the fire and began efforts to control it. Unfortunately, due to weather conditions and radio communications, the fire overtook their position and prevented escape. Only one member, who was posted as a lookout, survived. The fire ranks as the nation's 6th worst disaster and number 1 for Arizona in firefighter losses. These brave firefighters have been memorialized with a state park, including a movie starring Josh Brolin. I've seen the movie and highly recommend it if you'd like to learn more about it. Peoples Valley is a very sparsely populated area north of Yarnell. Only about 350 people call it home. The valley is named after A.H. Peoples, a gold prospector. From Kirtland Junction, there are 2 routes north to Prescott, Arizona. The shortest is on Highway 89, which winds through the mountains. The other is through Skull Valley. We chose to go through Skull Valley and take the smaller roads, but I believe the highway would be just as scenic. Once you leave Kirkland, there isn't much but desert all the way to Prescott. There is a fire department and buildings in Skull Valley. However, if you blink, you'll miss them. In the desert southwest, temperatures reach triple digits in the summer. It's not hard to imagine a scorching sun as portrayed in the movies. Since we're here in the spring, we're safe from the vultures, but I guess we should keep moving. All joking aside, the desert has an allure that is hard to describe. It has a beauty that is as unique as it is inspiring. Although I like South Florida, I can understand the allure of the desert. Prescott owes its modern history to the mining rush at the end of the 19th century. However, the area started out as Fort Whipple, which is located just to the northeast of the modern-day downtown area. Prescott was twice named as the territorial capital of Arizona, once in 1864 and again in 1877, before losing out to Phoenix in the end. Today, the valley has over 100,000 residents, with tourism a big draw. The Black Hills mountain range lies between Prescott and Flagstaff, Arizona, with an eastern section located on the other side of Interstate 17. Many mines dot the landscape, with some of them visible from the highway. One of the largest copper mines in the United States, the United Verde Mine, lies along the escarpment near Jerome, Arizona. We'll be driving through these stunning mountains on our way to Flagstaff. Black Hills mountain range lies within the boundaries of the Prescott National Forest. The forest itself is central to Arizona and consists of 1.25 million acres of ponderosa pine, juniper, and pinyon pine. What a view, huh? This is really impressive. Just before reaching Jerome, we'll stop off at an overlook near an old mine. The view is unbelievable, and it includes a view between the escarpment overlooking the valley. I'll conclude with this video here and pick up with Jerome, Arizona in the next one. So for now, take care, and we'll see you in the next episode.